Good evening, guys. This is my presentation about good and bad website for me. So my name is Joshua Eliaon from BSIT 3B. So let's proceed to the next page. So as you can see here, these are the description of my bad website. So worst website, Yale School of Art. You can visit it at www.art.yale.edu. So the Yale School of Art website is considered one of the worst examples of web design. Its chaotic layout and confusing navigation makes it extremely hard for users to find content that they need. Also, the site is filled with random clickable content scattered across the page, resembling a messy digital collage. The cluttered design can be overwhelming and off-putting, especially for the first-time visitors who may find it disorganized and unprofessional. So that is the description of my bad website. So let's move on. So this is these are the preview page of the front page of my website what I mean is the preview page of the front page of my bad website. So as we can read here, these are again the description about it. So the site is filled with random clickable content scattered across the page, resembling a messy digital collage. The cluttered design can also be overwhelming and off-putting, especially for the first-time visitors who may find it disorganized and unprofessional. As as you can see here, the website's design is very chaotic, and also in terms of its design it is very it uses a very poor design, and also the organizement of each of the things that you can see there. So also the buttons and also the navigation bar is very simple. Users might find it very confusing. So uh, we can move on to another page. So as we can see here, we got here the best practices that the creator of the website should do for them to improve the bad website that we saw. So first here, they should simplify the layout. So organize content clearly and reduce clutter for a more intuitive user experience. Then the next one is they should improve the navigation. So they should add a consistent fixed navigation bar for easier access to key sections. Then the third one is enhance mobile responsiveness. So they should optimize the site for mobile devices to improve accessibility across screens. So the fourth one is add a clear call to action CTA buttons. So they should include a prominent CTA to guide users effectively. So these are the four practices that the creator of the website that we saw, which is bad, for them to improve the website. So let's move on. So as we can see here, this is another advice from them to improve the bad website that we saw. So as we can read here, improvements should focus on creating a cleaner, more intuitive design with clear navigation and better organization of content. So we can move on to another page. So as we can see here, so by applying the five quality components of usability to the bad website, so in in terms of its learnability, the design is unconventional and somewhat chaotic, which may make it difficult for new users to accomplish basic tasks. Also, the navigation relies heavily on exploration, making it first making first-time usage complex. Then its in terms of its efficiency, once familiar, users can quickly navigate, though the layout lacks a clear structure for efficient task completion. Then, in terms of its memorability, due to its non-standard design, users may struggle to re-establish proficiency after a break. Then, in terms of its error, the design is forgiving with minimal risk of errors, though some sections can be confusing to locate. Then, in terms of its satisfaction, some users may appreciate its creative freedom somehow, but others may find it frustratingly disorganized. So, let's move on to the next page. So, as we can see here, these are the description to my good website. So, I'm going to read now. So, Netflix is a Netflix is a Netflix is a prime example of an excellent website or of an excellent web design that needs no major improvement. The website is known for its sleek and user-friendly interface, which allows users to easily navigate through its massive catalog of movies and shows. Then also, the call to action CTA buttons like sign up or watch now are prominent and intuitive, helping guide users effortlessly through the site. Netflix responsive design works seamlessly across devices, whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or on a smartphone. Its performance is also a top-notch, with fast loading times and also smooth playback, making it a standout in terms of both functionality and user experience. So these are the description to my good website. So let's move on to another page. So as we can see here, these are the preview front page of the Netflix website. So as you can see here, in terms of design, you can already see how organized the website is. Also the navigation bar on top. Also the different movies that are based on its categories that they are belong to, that they will belong to, or that they belong to. So I'm going to read now the description on the left side. So the user-friendly, in terms of its user-friendly interface, Netflix has an intuitive design that makes it easy. That makes it easy for users to navigate its large catalog of movies and shows. The layout is clean, simple, and organized, helping users find content quickly. Also, clear call to action CTA buttons. The CTAs on Netflix, such as sign up or watch now, are well placed and easy to identify, guiding users to complete actions seamlessly. And also, in terms of its responsive design, Netflix performs flawlessly across devices, desktop, mobile, or tablet, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable experience for all users. Then also, in terms of its fast performance, pages load quickly and video playback is smooth, enhancing overall user experience and reducing frustration from long wait times. So as we can see, those are those are some of the characteristics of my good website. So let's move on. So by applying the 5 quality components of usability to the good website, so as we can read here, in terms of its learnability, Netflix offers an intuitive, streamlined design. New users can easily search and play content with minimal effort. Then also in terms of its efficiency, once learned, the platform allows user to quickly browse, search, and access content with well-organized categories and recommendations. Then, in terms of its memorability, frequent users will likely retain proficiency due to its consistent layout and clear navigation paths. Then, in terms of its errors are rare, and when they occur, example network errors, they are easy to recover from the simple retry options from the website. Then, in terms of its satisfaction, the interface is polished and user-friendly, delivering a satisfying experience for users looking to quickly find content. So these are the 5. So we already read all. Then we can move on to the next page. So I think that's all of the things that we can read from the description to my bad and good website. So let's now see the actual website itself. So first of all, I'm going to show you what the bad website I think is. So for me, my bad website is this website, which is named Yale School of Art. So these are the bad website for me. These are the example of bad website for me. So as you can see here, based on its design, you can already see how bad it is. So in terms of its design, even the words you can see here, Yale School of Art, and also the links, and also the things that you can see here. These are the mobile version of this website. So you can already see here the things here that you can click. The organization. You can already see there are random descriptions here that I'm quite confused as a beginner. There are other informations here at the bottom or here below. So you can see these are the lowest part of the website. So as you can read here, you can see here login, edit this page, and page history also. So these are the overall design of the website, which is what I think the bad website for me. You can see, it really has a bad design because they had used a very simple design in terms of the words. You can see the words has a very simple design. Also the organization, all the way the things are organized on the page is very chaotic. So I think they also have a navigation bar here. So once I click that, so you can already see at the top its navigation options that you can choose from. So it has home, about school, apply to school, exhibition, publication, use, public events. So these are the navigation bar that is available through mobile, through its mobile version. So I think that's it. We have also here a quick links. So when you click one of these options here on the quick links, it will show you information about it. So I think that's it for my bad website. So let's see now the Netflix, which is my good which is for me one of the better website or a good website. So as you can see here, this is the front page of the Netflix. So this is the front page of the Netflix. So you can already we see here, as we scroll down, there are different movies here that are categorized based on its category. So every single movie here is organized based on what category they belong to, or which category they belong to. So as you can see here, they also have different recommended movies for you, for what they think is the best, or what they think is the top movies. So as you can see here, every movie is categorized based on the category that based on its categories. So that's one of the things that is better about this website, because they categorize each movie based on the category that they belong to. So the users can find, or the users can find the movie that they want very easily because of the categories. So also, this is the navigation bar based on their mobile version. So we're going to click that. So as you can see here, so we can already see different movies here. So now I'm going to click the navigation bar that they created. So using the navigation bar that they created, oh, we can already see that, right? Right. So this is the navigation bar. So as you can see here, the navigation bar that they have is, I'm just going to focus my camera because the screen is getting blurred. So as you can see here, the different categories are still on the left side, so they still put the different categories of the movies here on the website, so the users can clearly see what the categories of the movies are available, so they can find the movies that they need to watch or they want to watch very easily. So as you can see here, they also put the option here, which is okay. They also put the account and also the help center. I think the purpose of the account is for users to see some of the details about their account, their subscription, and also other things about or other personal things about their account on Netflix. Then also the help center is the purpose of the help center is for users to be guided if they think they are confused navigating the website, or they are confused on other things about the website. So if they need help, I think the option help center will help them. So other thing is also you can see the sign out of Netflix. So I think that options will make the user sign out of this website. So I think these are some of the available options on its mobile version, on its navigation. So I think that's the things that a user needs for them to navigate or use this website properly. So as you can see here, sign out on Netflix. um that's one of the options. So I think that's those are the available options that we can see here on its navigation. So I think that is the thing overall things that you can see on its mobile version. So this is the front page. So I think this is that is all of the things that I can say about Netflix. Based on based on its desktop version, it also have a better, you can also see better options there, and also their navigation bar is better there because I think their navigation is available on top. So I think Netflix has a better design in terms of its design and its availability. All of the categories and all of the organization of the website is well placed, and I think this is an example of a good website. So I think that's all for my presentation. So thank you very much again for watching. My name is Joshua Eliaon, and I'm from BSIT TV. And again, thank you for watching my presentation about what good and bad website is for me. So thank you very much.